In this first video, we're going to look at the different steps related to creating an account, which is required in order to have access to Info-Excavation's web portal. Starting at Info-Excavation's homepage, we're going to start by clicking on placing a locate request and then on either companies or municipalities based on our profile. Both of these links will bring us to the login page. Once we've reached the login page, we're going to go ahead and click on create an account and fill out the required information. Once we've filled out all the required information, a confirmation email is going to be sent out, allowing us to go ahead and create our excavator profile. Looking into our inbox, we have the confirmation email, and we'll just go ahead and click on verify. Once our account has been verified, all we have to do now is to go ahead and log in using the credentials that we've originally picked. And we now have access to the web portal. We're now going to go ahead and create our excavator profile. We will now enter the requested contact information. Do note that this is the information that's going to be used in all the future locate requests that are going to be created using this excavator profile. Once we've filled out all the required information, we're going to go ahead and click on save, which is going to give us access to the web portal, allowing us to make locate requests and engineering requests. Should we want to, we could change the contact information that's in our excavator profile. To do that, we would go on account settings, click on the excavators tab, and then we would go ahead and click on edit if we wanted to change this particular profile, or if we wanted to create multiple profiles, we would just click on create and fill out all the required information so that we would have multiple excavator profiles within the same account.